Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix notification sound not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can make sure that you have updated to the latest version. So just simply tap on settings, tap on general, and here you can appear on the screen about, tap on it, and here you can appear on the screen iOS version is up to date. So go back, so just simply tap on settings. Here you can appear on the screen notifications, tap on it, scroll down and check that any apps notification are turned off or turn on, and check different app too. Now you can see that home notification is turned off and message notification is turned off. Just simply tap on app and turn on, go back, turn on this and go back. So if this is not working, then we move to another is check that silent button is turned on or off. So just simply check that. Now you can see silent and now you can see ring. So if all these method is not working, then you force restart your device. For force restart your device, just simply press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo is appear. Wait for few seconds to set up your device and check that notification sound is working or not. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.